guys, we're back with the collab hosted by Mysterious Alberta and the Diva Dynasty team. Today's video will incorporate a theme for the fathers, a Father's Day tablescape. And make sure you guys check out the playlist to see the other tablescapes in support of fathers. Definitely make sure we recognize them for all that they do throughout the year. The colors that I've chosen here are black, white, and a rose gold. The only reason why I added the rose gold is so that it matches with the table, so that it doesn't bring on a horrible contrast. But I think with everything together, it brings out a really masculine touch. And I chose the brand labels that's listed here, Gucci and Versace, because, you know, that's typically the style that most men are actually wearing nowadays. Here I'm adding a table runner that brings a contrast in between the two colors. I think it's a nice added touch. And there's those DIYs again that I did in one of my previous videos. I will make sure I add the link in the bubble above. And here we're just adding a dark color to bring in that masculine touch and a little bit more of greenery. This is another DIY of mine. I have not added it to the channel, but I do believe it's been done before here on YouTube. Definitely that was a great creation by the YouTuber that brought this challenge on. I definitely wanted to thank you guys, and don't forget to remember to support our fathers. I hope you enjoyed this DIY, and you guys can have a great day. Enjoy.
Is that hot for you? Room.